The CLI offers about a dozen languages. It's like a menu, you know? Which language would you like to learn today? BCS, Albanian, Armenian, Polish. I was like, wow, this is like a very fun restaurant, you know?
I love language so much. And it's such a cool thing to learn. Like, once you know a language, you understand it, and it's one of the best feelings.
I really liked Skyping with the people in Bishkek. We got to see a lot about what they do, and they showed us their food, what they had for dinner.
Myself being a language major, these 2 months in Bali, it really showed me like this is what language learning should feel like.
You really learn to appreciate what you have and what you've been raised with. That's one of the best things that I've taken by traveling abroad with CLI.
The things that I experienced over there really changed around my worldview. I felt like I learned how to be a better person, really.
It just seems like my life just completely opened up since I've gotten into this program. It's kind of like a dream come true to me.
There are scholarships available from the CLI, from the Melikian Center, as well from external sources such as Boren or Fulbright, especially for critical languages.
I want to do my research on the Soviet legacy of mass deportation.
I'm planning on going into the medical field.
Hopefully an intelligence officer, it might be a surface warfare officer.
Being able to bring some of my heritage back home that we had lost when we came over to America was really important to me.
Possibly joining the Peace Corps.
Think tank, nonprofit.
International law. Applied linguistics.
I'm aiming high, hoping for the best.
It either is for you or it isn't for you, but I think that most people should try it because if it is for you, it opens up so many exciting doors all over the world.
There's a lot of times you have to do things that are useful because you have to. This was useful and it was fun. Something like this has so many benefits, I don't know why you wouldn't do it.
We call it the Critical Languages Institute because we believe that language learning is critical. 25 years ago, when the Soviet Union collapsed, a lot of attention moved away from the languages of the Soviet Union. But now, as the world has changed again, these regions are critical again. Understanding the languages is a phenomenal and important way for students to engage with these important regions.